Free kick attempt by Chico. About the 59th, 60th minute. Knocked down by the PV wall. Nothing doing there. Still scoreless. Got about a little over 20 minutes to go. We'll be headed to overtime, followed by penalty kicks. Still scoreless after that. It'll be a 0-0 draw between these two crosstown rivals. The first of two meetings in league this year. Could be a couple more too. These two meet in the Section D1 final.